Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Talking eBay. Today we're talking about when you're doing videos for eBay. You know, eBay does video now, but it's very limiting, just to let you know. So you can do a lot of different things and a lot of things you can't do. So let's talk about formats. So this is when you're using your phone, and your phone's your best way to get your information up there. Unfortunately, you can't connect your phone to your videos yet, but it is coming. So you have to kind of download it to your computer and upload it through eBay. Eventually, you will connect it like everybody else does, but they're a little slow at that, but that's just how it goes. So what do you need to do? Let's go over it. All right, so I have my phone here, and you can see here, when you click on the top left of your phone here, the left side, it says 460 4K and HD. You don't want to shoot anything in 4K. It'll just take up too much data, and it just won't work. Hopefully you can see that. So over here it says 4K, and just tap it, it'll say HD. Okay, you want to shoot everything in HD because it's less, it's a better bit rate, and you get around, you have to be under 100 megabytes, okay? So here's something I want to make a video on. This is like a little paper holder. So I want to make a video just like that. This is a paper holder. Hope you can see the sides. This is what it looks like. Just make a quick video, just like that. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You make it as long up to 60 seconds. I would recommend like 45 seconds to keep yourself safe. I'm going to show you how you can check how big the file is. So the easiest way to check how big the file is stop the video. So here is the video I just made. So here's the video playing. Let's pause that, right? So how do you know how big this video is? Swipe up on the video. Watch. When you swipe up, it tells you the size of the video. So this video here is 26.3 megabytes. So it's 1080, it's telling me, which is fine. Not 4K, which is perfect. 18 seconds long, okay? So roughly about a minute you can put on here on standard definition. So 26 megabytes, keep it under 100. That's how you can tell how much size you have with. So that's a trick I wanted to teach you. That's so important. So when you're shooting video, don't forget, just tap on the left-hand side. It says 4K. Make sure it's in HD. That way there's no problems. Let's shoot it one more time. And let's try to put around 50 seconds on this video. And I can just show you how that is. Also, another trick is when you're shooting products, let's say VCRs or cassette players, to show how they work, you can play the music. There is no copyright issue if you're just demonstrating and you're using the actual tape from the actual band or whatever. Not a problem at all. I've done many videos like that. You know, if you're showing a VCR, you want to play a video, show that it works, you can do that because you're just demonstrating the product working, and you're demonstrating it's launch using the not a bootleg copy. If you're losing the actual, an actual disc or a CD from the actual band, not a problem at all. You can do that. All right, so here's 38 seconds, 39, 40. That's 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 seconds. Let's stop that. Let's go to your files. And I'm going to show you how big that one is. So that is the one I just shot. And let's see what the size of that one is. That's 68 megabytes. So perfect. So up to a minute long, like I said, you can do that. Don't shoot in 4K, shoot in 1080. That's what I wanted to show you. All right, guys, just want to make a quick video. People ask me about that all the time about videos. Oh, it's always horizontal. You don't want to do vertical videos on eBay. You want to do horizontal, just like this. So that's it. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content on Talking eBay. We teach you a little bit about everything about eBay. I've been selling on eBay for 25 years, so hopefully I make some videos to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps me a lot with the algorithm, pushes out the video. It helps me, and that's all I ask you to do is just like the video and share it, nothing more. And I appreciate your time, and if I can help you, leave some comments down below. Thanks for watching.